Permits for all vehicles, please. Copy that. Moving the convoy through. Proceed with caution. Keep the line moving.
Keep the assembly line moving. We have to meet the deadline. Right, I'll check on the welding stations now.
Setting speed to 750 inches per minute. Confirming cut parameters. Initiating plasma arc. Watch for lead-in.
Setting plate 3 now. Clear. Welding is hot. Next measurement set. Got it. Just need to mark the drill points. Perfect. All right, slowly down. Watch your sides. Just a little more. Looking good. Stop. Hold it. Okay, ease it down now. Clear. Clear. Perfect. Release the riggers. Well done. All right, section 12. Check. Okay, ready for the next pass?
Yeah.
Just need to tie this end in. Keep an eye on the amperage. The roller speed looks good. Prepare for the stop. Roger that. Ready for inspection. The measurement is here. Verify the alignment on the far side.
Alignment check complete. Ready for hydraulic engagement.
Engaging system.
Visual check. Perfect alignment.
Keep it steady, Bill. All right, I got it. Tighten that one hard. It's a structural point. The reading is 1.75 millimeters.
Noted. Check the tolerance against the specified requirements in the diagram.
Initiating lift sequence. Okay, pressure holding steady. Verified. Beginning ascent. Lift is stable. Operation complete.
The primary axis is within tolerance. Proceed with final lock. Copy that.
Measurement complete. Aligning the hydraulics.
Okay, confirmed. Setting pressure to 50%. Copy that. Proceeding with torque check. Torque good. Initiate the test cycle. Checking the levels now.
Pressure looks good from here. Hydraulics are extending. Checking pressure here.
Check here.
All systems normal. Pressure's looking good. Maintain the slow pace. Slowing it down now. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Yeah.
Adjusting now. It's at 300 bar. Watch the flow rate. Cable 1 connected. Copy that. Checking pressure. I'm seeing some inconsistencies here in the paint thickness near this red marker. Right, the gauge confirms it. I'll note it down on the checklist. Looks good. Quality check confirmed. Let's do the next one. Torque looks good here. Checked against the spec. All right, next one. Slow down, just a little more. Looks good, perfect alignment. Secure, great job.
Engaging the stress test sequence.
Data looks nominal so far. Parameters set. Commencing scan. Running diagnostics. Looks good. Scan complete. All systems check. Approval granted. Platform rotating. Steady. Bring it forward slowly. Monitoring alignment. All good. Stop. Final approach. Lock it down. Connected. Well done, team. Verified. Everything is tight. System shows green. We are cleared for transport. All right, security. Heading out now. License looks good. Proceed. Check the straps. Good to go. Thanks, everyone.
Hold it there. Steady.
Lower. Slowly. Watch the guides.
Ropes are secure. Keep it steady. Placement is good. Disconnect.
Hold on 3. We're raising it now. Clear on the front left. Watch the lines. Keep it steady. Roger that. We're slowly pulling forward. Watch the alignment. Okay, steady, steady. Lower it down. Hold it there. A bit more to the left. Roger that. Slowly lowering. Engaging hydraulics. Steady on the ropes. We're clear. Affirmative. Keep it steady. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Easy, easy. Just a hair to the left. Perfect. Set it down. Keep it steady. Slowly. Almost there. Push. Secure. Done. Readings look good.
Confirmed. Alignment is complete.
Span complete. Copy.
Axis alignment and span security confirmed.
Thermal readings look good.
Checks complete. System is ready. The data confirms it. Copy that. We're fully deployed and
Maximum capacity is at 18,000 pounds. Pressure holding stable. Sensors red-green. Let's maintain this load.
Readings look good.
Continue to record.
Affirmative. Data capture is stable.
Steady. All right, hook up. We're clear on the left. Keep it steady. Tighten the forward straps. Ratcheting now. Watch the clearance on the right. Almost there. Hook off. Clear to move. All right, pulling away. Steady.